Farberware Black FMO10AHDBKC 1.0 Fort 1000 watt microwave oven with healthy air fry, grill convection function, eco mode and LED lighting, black stainless steel. Spacious and stylish, with 1.0 cubic feet of cooking capacity, a sleek black stainless steel exterior and stainless steel interior, and 3 different wattage outputs, 1000 to 1150 to 1800. This countertop microwave delivers power, style, and convenience to any kitchen. 11 cooking programs, auto cooking programs, auto reheat, potato, meat, vegetable, fish, pasta, soup, bake, pizza, chicken, and popcorn. Provide convenient control and avoid guesswork. Unique healthy air fry technology. This extraordinary functionality allows you to cook healthier versions of your favorite deep-fried foods, offering 9 fry options such as frozen French fries, hash browns, frozen fish, frozen onion rings, frozen chicken nuggets, fresh fish shrimp, fresh chicken wings, fresh vegetable, spring rolls egg rolls. Brown and crisp cooking. The grill function can be used alone or in combination with the microwave to perfectly reheat a slice of pizza or lasagna, brown a grilled cheese sandwich, cook vegetables and steaks, or toast an English muffin. Combination cooking. The combination function allows you to combine grill convection features to help keep food juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Low temp control. Low temperature control offers 5 levels of cooking that allows you to slow cook and dehydrate, as well as keep foods warm. Oven refresh. Oven fan turns on to vent out burning or other smells out of the microwave, keeping it clean. Accessories included. Non-stick Teflon pan and grill rack are included for grilling and air frying. Glass turntable, large 12.5-inch glass turntable allows for even cooking and is removable for easy cleanup. Digital clock. Easy to read LED display lights up the digital clock and highlights each cooking setting. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.